Welcome back to EVAI Labs. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the NIO ES9, the electric flagship that's redefining luxury mobility. Often called a landjet for its blend of sedan elegance and SUV-like presence, this beast is NIO's top-tier offering in the 9 Series lineup. Let's start with the exterior, where innovation meets striking design. The ES9 boasts a pioneering landjet aesthetic that breaks free from traditional categories. Measuring an impressive 209.7 inches long, 79.4 inches wide, and 63.8 inches tall, it commands the road with flagship proportions. The body achieves an unmatched 80% space utilization rate, thanks to cutting-edge engineering. Up front, the sleek face features micro-LED headlights that emit a radiant, tech-forward glow, flanked by a seamless grille that's all about aerodynamics. The dual-tone sky mirror paint job, like silver over blue or red over gold, creates a dawn-like visual symphony. Running along the sides, the horizon waistline uses a heaven and earth interplay technique, where colors and lines mimic nature's rhythms for a flowing, dynamic look. Those exclusive 23-inch forged NIO wheels have a mirror-polished finish, sparkling like a galaxy in motion. The fastback roofline tapers elegantly to the rear, housing integrated taillights and subtle spoilers for optimal downforce. Body painting takes 12 steps over 107 hours, ensuring premium quality. Ground clearance hits a class-leading 200 mm, with 90 mm of adjustable suspension travel, making it versatile for urban streets or light off-road jaunts. A lightful welcome sequence illuminates as you approach, adding that wow factor. Overall, the exterior screams sophistication and presence, turning heads wherever it goes. Moving inside, the ES9's cabin is a masterclass in luxury and intelligence. The world's first executive bridge design features a 2,150 mm central console that acts as a bridge between front and rear, packing a 10L refrigerator, heated cup holders, and ample storage. It's like having a private lounge on wheels. The rear first-class flying seats come with 24 paddings, offering massage, ventilation, and zero-gravity recline for ultimate comfort. Premium Napa leather wraps everything, eco-friendly and buttery soft, paired with Fengiying wood veneer and nearly 200,000 stitches of exquisite quilting and embroidery. The fastback does slightly limit rear headroom, but front passengers enjoy expansive space. Storage is smart too, with open compartments under consoles and a rear intelligent safe that unlocks via biometrics or codes. Infotainment shines with a 15.6-inch touchscreen powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8295P chip in the SkyOS Tianshu system. Nomi, the voice assistant, handles 4-zone commands for windows, seats, and more. The AR HUD provides lane-level navigation, while the super immersive audio system delivers 3 acoustic environments for concert-like sound. Smart home integration connects to brands like Midea, and over-the-air updates keep adding features, like enhanced cabin and driving aids. With 5 seats implied, it's tailored for executives who demand the best. The interior feels like a high-end jet cabin, blending tech and opulence seamlessly. Now, let's talk performance, where the ES9 truly excels. Under the hood, it's all electric with a dual-motor AWD setup, a 241 horsepower front induction motor and a 456 horsepower rear permanent magnet unit, combining for 697 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. That propels it from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, with effortless highway merging. The 100 kWh battery pack delivers up to 404 miles on the CLTC cycle, though real world might vary. NIO's 900 volts architecture supports ultra-fast 600 kilowatts DC charging, adding 158 miles in 5 minutes. But the star is the SkyRide chassis, the world's first integrated fully active suspension with wire-controlled steering and rear-wheel steering. At low speeds, the 6:1 steering ratio makes it nimble like a compact car, needing only 240 degrees of wheel turn for a U-turn, no hand-over-hand needed. At high speeds, it shifts to 14:1 for rock-solid stability. Rear steering up to 8.3 degrees shrinks the turning diameter to 10.9 meters, easing parking. The suspension offers 220 to 240 millimeters of travel, smoothing out bumps like magic. It can even balance a champagne glass over potholes. Emergency features include auto pull-over if the driver is incapacitated, and NOC Plus enables highway and urban autonomous driving. It's a tech marvel that drives like a dream. Finally, on pricing, the ET9 positions itself as a premium flagship. In China, it starts around $92,400 with battery lease or $110,320 for battery purchase, with the Horizon Edition nearing $115,000. While not yet available in the United States, potential entry could see similar figures, adjusted for tariffs and localization. Battery swapping via NIO's network adds value, reducing ownership costs. It's a steal compared to rivals like the Mercedes Maybach S-Class, offering more tech for the buck. If you're in the market for ultimate EV luxury, the ET9 is worth watching. There you have it, folks, the NIO ET9 in all its glory. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more EV insights, and drop your thoughts in the comments. See you next time on EVAI Labs.